So for today's lab, we're going to be using this website called Star in a Box. And so when you open the lab, there are slides that you can click through. Slides 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 8. Just gives you a walkthrough of what kind of information you can find on the site. But to get to the site, you're going to go to slide 9, click on the video, click on that link, and it'll send you to this website. You're going to leave it on normal, and you're going to hit open the lid. And once you do that, it opens to this website. And like I said, the slides prior explains the kind of information that is on this website. And so for this lab, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be investigating different mass of stars. So this website has have stars that are smaller than the sun, as well as stars that are way bigger than the sun. And so if you click down to slide 10, there are 4 different types of stars that I want you to look at. So low mass stars, medium mass stars, high mass stars, and very high mass stars. And so it tells you which mass would make the star either a high mass star or a low mass star. And then you're going to be looking at the mass, the luminosity, the temperature, the age of the star, and if a star goes supernova. And so to do that, you basically select the mass that you want to look at. You're going to select the characteristic you want to look at. So this one right here is the size of a star. The size of a star. So if you just hover your mouse over it, it tells you what they are. And to find out how it changes over time, you basically hit the play button. I'm going to set it to fast because it can go very fast. And so as you can see, it records as it changes over time. You can pause it if you need to. You can press play if you want to keep going. You can start over if you need to. You can set the speed to a lower speed if you need to, use this as many times. But you're going to be clicking through these different characteristics for each type of star and just observing how they're changing over time, and then recording your observations in this table. Once you're done with that, you can, and there, part 2 is answering questions related to the HR diagram, which we saw yesterday. And then part 3, for the advanced people, is going to be dragging these stars to their location on the HR diagram. And then for the normal, you would just go to the lab questions after you finish the HR diagram. And for the final part of the lab are these lab questions, and it's basically asking you to go back to the website, select different characteristics. So for question 1 relates to the mass of a star, and then how does the stage change through time. So you would go here, click, it's already on 1, and so you're going to play it through. And as you're playing it through, you're going to look at how is the stage changing over time, and then based on whatever answer you select, you can either highlight your answer or you can delete the answers that you think are wrong. And then once you're done with that, you can just submit this slides. Since you each have a copy, it should automatically submit when you have your answers on them. So if you have any issues, just email me.